What if your kitchen could cook for you, track your groceries, and reduce food waste all on its own? With AI technology rapidly advancing, the kitchen of the future is no longer a dream. It's becoming a reality in 2026. Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI gadgets that will transform your kitchen experience and make everyday cooking easy. From refrigerators that track your ingredients to voice-activated air fryers, these gadgets are revolutionizing the way we cook, eat, and manage our kitchens. Stay tuned as we explore how AI can make your kitchen smarter, more efficient, and way more fun. 1. Samsung Bespoke AI 4-Door Flex Refrigerator. The Smart Kitchen Hub. Imagine a refrigerator that's not just a place to store food, but a smart assistant that makes your life easier. The Samsung Bespoke AI 4-Door Flex Refrigerator takes kitchen management to a whole new level with its innovative AI vision inside technology. This smart fridge uses internal cameras that automatically detect and track up to 33 types of fresh food items as they're added or removed, eliminating the need for manual inventory. No more guessing what's in your fridge or trying to remember when your groceries are about to expire. With the help of these cameras, the fridge not only keeps track of expiration dates, but also offers real-time recipe suggestions based on what ingredients are inside. When you open the fridge, you might just be greeted with a meal idea that perfectly matches what you've already got in stock. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what's in your kitchen and helps you make the most of it. Whether you're short on time or trying to avoid waste, this fridge streamlines the entire process. The Samsung Bespoke AI 4-Door Flex Refrigerator is designed to help you reduce food waste, making sure that nothing goes unused. It tracks your items, suggests recipes to optimize your ingredients, and ensures you're making the most of everything you bought. Not only does it make your kitchen more efficient, but it also helps you save money in the long run by preventing food from spoiling. It's the ultimate blend of smart technology and kitchen convenience. 2. Chef Robotic C001748. Chef Robot UltraCook, your personal cooking assistant. What if you could cook without lifting a finger? The Chef Robotic C001748 Chef Robot UltraCook brings that dream to life. This all-in-one AI cooking robot is the future of hands-free cooking, designed to make meal preparation effortless and efficient. Whether you're sautéing, kneading, mixing, steaming, or more, the Chef Robot UltraCook can do it all, ensuring that you have a personal chef right in your kitchen. Equipped with over 15 cooking modes, it handles everything from simple dishes to intricate gourmet meals with ease. One of the best features of the Chef Robot UltraCook is its ability to automatically adjust cooking times and temperatures, guaranteeing perfect results every time. No need to hover over a hot stove or constantly check the timer. The robot does it all for you, giving you more time to focus on enjoying the process. Plus, its built-in 11-pound scale eliminates the need for measuring tools, streamlining the entire cooking process. Imagine tossing your ingredients into the robot and letting it take care of the rest. You don't have to worry about timing or temperature. Everything is handled. As the AI system learns from your preferences, it customizes future meals to be even more tailored to your taste. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight meal or preparing a sophisticated dish for guests, the Chef Robot UltraCook ensures every meal is cooked to perfection with zero hassle. 3. 1. AI Chef Ultra. The ultimate chef and diet coach. What if your kitchen assistant could also double as your personal diet coach? The One AI Chef Ultra revolutionizes cooking by combining intelligent culinary assistance with personalized dietary guidance. Powered by the advanced Your Own Cooking model, this AI-powered device features a 12-megapixel camera that can identify ingredients and recommend the best cooking methods based on your specific preferences. Whether you're following a strict diet plan, aiming for healthier meals, or just want to improve your cooking, the One AI Chef Ultra has got you covered with its tailored recommendations. It's like having your very own personal chef who understands your nutritional needs and culinary desires. One of the standout features of the One AI Chef Ultra is its ability to factor in critical elements like portion size, calorie intake, and nutritional content to ensure each meal is not only tasty, but also nutritionally balanced. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on flavor. The device also boasts multi-zone temperature control, which allows it to handle complex cooking techniques, such as stir-frying, braising, and pan-searing with incredible precision. No more worrying about unevenly cooked stir-fries or overcooked braised dishes. One AI Chef Ultra ensures everything is cooked to perfection. This gadget takes the guesswork out of cooking, making meal prep easier and more enjoyable. With its smart AI, you can rest assured that each meal you prepare will be a step closer to your dietary goals, whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or following a health-conscious meal plan. The One AI Chef Ultra is the future of intelligent cooking, combining culinary art and nutrition science all in one device. 4. Emerson Smart Voice 10 QD6 in one air fryer. Voice-activated cooking. Imagine a world where you can prepare your favorite meals without ever lifting a finger. The Emerson Smart Voice 10 QD6 in one air fryer turns this vision into reality with its incredible voice-activated technology. With over 1,000 voice commands, this air fryer allows you to control every aspect of your cooking, all hands-free. This is a game changer, especially for busy families or anyone who wants to save time while preparing meals. Now, you can focus on other tasks without interrupting the cooking process. Whether you're air frying, baking, or roasting, the Emerson Smart Voice Air Fryer is smart enough to automatically detect over 100 different food types, adjusting the cooking time and temperature for perfect results every time. No more guessing when your meal is done or manually adjusting settings. The air fryer does all the thinking for you, ensuring a hassle-free cooking experience. This kitchen gadget makes multitasking a breeze, allowing you to focus on other activities while your meal cooks. Its voice-activated controls not only save time, but also reduce the need to constantly check on your food. With this level of convenience, you can stay efficient and organized without ever compromising on meal quality. Beyond functionality, the Emerson Smart Voice 10 QD Air Fryer also brings style to your kitchen with its sleek, modern design. It seamlessly fits into any kitchen decor, offering both technology and aesthetics in one compact device. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking newbie, this air fryer makes preparing meals easier, faster, and more enjoyable. 5. AISO Smart Compact Oven, the sentient oven for perfect cooking. What if your oven could learn your cooking habits and deliver the perfect meal every time? The AISO Smart Compact Oven by ApeCoo is an innovative kitchen device that takes the guesswork out of cooking. It's equipped with weight sensors and internal cameras, which enable it to recognize the type and geometry of the food placed inside. From there, the oven applies optimized cooking algorithms to ensure that each meal is cooked just the way you like it. Whether you're roasting a chicken, baking a cake, or grilling vegetables, this oven knows exactly how to adjust the settings for the best possible outcome. Its ability to adapt to various foods means you never have to worry about undercooking or overcooking again. Imagine putting a dish inside and having the oven automatically adjust to your desired crispiness or level of browning. No more trial and error. Plus, the AISO Smart Oven learns from your preferences over time. It remembers what textures and finishes you prefer and automatically adjusts future cooking sessions to meet those expectations. This intelligent oven makes cooking effortless while delivering high-quality results every time. With its cutting-edge features, it's perfect for busy people who want to enjoy great meals with minimal effort. Whether you're an experienced chef or just learning, the AISO Smart Oven ensures you always cook like a pro. There you have it, the top 5 AI kitchen gadgets that are transforming the way we cook, save time, and manage our kitchens. From smart fridges to voice-activated cooking assistants, these gadgets are taking kitchen efficiency and convenience to new heights. Which one would you want to add to your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome updates on smart home tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we explore even more gadgets that are making life easier.